Advanced Practicum class, I wanted to send out a video letting you know what should be happening for this first week. So we are in our class right now, and if you click on week 1, September 1st, which will be on Friday, let's click on the plan. And again, to get to the plan, you're going to go down here where it says continue attempt 1, because yes, this is different than our old Blackboard. So what I've got, as I had stated in our class, I've got the English explanation and the Spanish explanation here. Here is the English form, so let's click on that. What you're going to do for this first week is you're going to observe in these 3 subdomains is what you're doing. You're observing any one of the kids in your classroom. So you don't have focus children or anything like that. You can pick whichever child. All I need you to do is notice, do you see a child working on self-help skills, which would be toileting or cleaning their nose or using their cough pocket, things like that. Um, Anything that has to do with anything like that, motor development, and then sensory organization. So what you see is what you're going to write about. I wouldn't just focus on one child. I would look at it, just throughout the day. As you see things happening, write down the examples is what you're going to do. You're going to describe it also for me, please. Don't just write down, and again, I think I did this in the class, write down, um, child B kicked a ball. Tell me more about it. Did he aim at something? Did he actually hit the target? Um, that kind of a thing. The other thing is make sure that you're not just writing down things that the children can do. You kind of want to write down things that the children cannot do also. All right, so just kind of think about that. So this week on Friday, what you're doing is observing these 3 subdomains, and you're going to write up 6 examples. Okay, then maybe over the weekend, pick one of these examples. You've got 6, pick one of them, and then you're going to create an experience off of that one example is what you're going to do. Okay, so you can start doing that then for the next week, because then next week, Friday, you're going to actually offer the experience. But this week, all you're doing is observing in those different domains. So that's part of that. If I scroll on back, that's plan number 1. Make sure that your cooperating teacher fills out the co-op eval at the end of the day, so maybe have that printed off. Next, you're also going to make sure that you finish and you work on this discussion board response. And don't forget, you're going to be translating your response. So here, let me go ahead and click on it. So you're going to answer a little bit about yourself, type it up in here, copy that, put it through the Google Translate, put it back, put the Spanish version rather in here also, and then submit that. And then I need you to respond to at least 2 classmates' posts as well, and get this all done by September 8th, which you've got plenty of time to do that. All right? Okay, that should be it. This is probably the easiest week ever. So enjoy the week. Have fun at your placement on Friday, and I will be talking to you again next week. Enjoy the Labor Day weekend. Bye, everyone.